Every collection starts with visibility. Here, we're looking at the complete receivables portfolio in real time. Outstanding balances, aging distribution, customer exposure, everything updates from a single source of truth. Whether you prefer light mode or dark mode, the experience stays clean, fast, and focused on the data. Let's narrow our attention. Instead of reviewing every customer, we'll instantly search for the one we want. As we type, the application filters the entire receivables portfolio in real time. No refresh, no waiting, one click, and we're immediately looking at that customer's outstanding balances, invoice values, due dates, and payment exposure. Even with thousands of invoices, navigation stays responsive. Every record is available instantly. Let's move from customer level to invoice level. Here we can filter invoices by customer, status, aging bucket, or due date. Every invoice tells a story. Amount, due date, outstanding balance, days overdue, everything finance teams need, without opening another report. Visual summaries make it easy to spot collection priorities and identify where cash flow is being delayed. Now let's let AI do the analysis. Instead of reading dozens of charts, Fabric generates an executive summary automatically, highlighting trends, potential risks, and opportunities that deserve immediate attention. These insights aren't static, they're generated directly from your receivables data, giving finance teams immediate context behind the numbers. Need something more specific? Just ask. Using natural language, you can explore overdue balances, customer performance, payment trends, or collection risks. Within seconds, AI returns contextual answers, grounded entirely in your business data. Closing. This isn't another dashboard, it's an intelligent accounts receivable application, built on Microsoft Fabric, helping finance teams move from reporting to decision-making. Book demo with Shreeji Softinfo Consultancy LLP today to know more.